Okay, if you guys have watched any of my videos, every time I speak, you hear this bird in the background, and it's getting on my nerves, and I think it's mad because it's not in any of my videos, so now I'm going to do a video on my bird, okay? I'm all about reptiles, but I didn't want to leave her out. Alright, here she is. Yeah, her name is Beanie. I didn't name her that. Next door neighbor didn't want her anymore, and she's like 7 or something. And I was just like, well, I'll take her. And she's really nice. She used to bite me a lot, but she kind of likes me now. Take it down. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Okay. This is her. Yeah. She's pretty cool. She's just really loud. But, that's Beanie. And you're going to hear her in almost every video, and it's going to get on your nerves. Because she gets on my nerves, too. And, she's a cockatiel. And she's pretty cool. She used to bite me a lot, now she doesn't. So, I've only had her for, like, maybe, like, 3 months. Yeah, that's her. So, now you know that that's what is squawking in the background every time I'm doing a video, because that's what she likes to do, is squawk in the videos. So that's an update on Beanie. Probably not going to do another one. Hopefully more reptiles coming soon. I'm supposed to get some money in October, and I'm going to go to an expo, and when you go to an expo, you never know what's going to happen. So I plan on 1 or 2 bearded dragons, but you never know. I could come out with an Argentine tegu. If I have enough money for the enclosure, I would really like to have an Argentine tegu. Or I would love to have a spotted python, but I don't live by myself, so I'm not allowed to have snakes here. I have to keep them at my dad's house, which is like a 30-minute drive. And to me, I don't really want to do that unless it's breeding purposes, which I'm not doing yet. So yeah. That's Beanie, and I'm really bored, so I figured I'd do an update on her because she never shuts up. But I love her to death, so that's what's up. And yep, there's Hope chilling out under his light. He just ate a full plate. There's my fish. Yeah. Kissing fish and some other kind, and 2 barbs down there. Probably don't care about fish. And over here we have my painted turtle. That's a